Hey there, Pawns.app fam. Ready to boost your income with just a few quick taps? You're in the right place because today we're diving into making money by completing paid surveys with Pawns.app. Let's go. First things first, we have a list of countries where surveys are available. Click the link in the description to see if your country is on it. If it is, all you need to do is sign up. And if it's not, we still strongly recommend joining us because you can earn in many other ways. Head over to Pawns.app and create your account. It only takes a few minutes. Once you do, download the app on your smartphone. You can find Pawns.app in the AppStore and the Google Play Store. Got it? Great. You're ready to start earning. Now, open Pawns.app on your device and find the Surveys tab. You'll get a list of available surveys ready to go. Pick a survey and remember, honesty is the best policy. Providing honest and thoughtful responses is key to maximizing your earnings and getting more survey opportunities. So, how do you track your earning? It's simple. Your account shows your earnings in real time. When you complete a survey, the earnings are instantly added to your balance. Once you reach just $5, you can cash out using PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift cards. If you ever run into technical or any other problems, the link to our help center is waiting for you in the description. And if you don't find the answers you need, our friendly support team is always just a click away, ready to assist. So why wait? Join our massive global community of earners today and turn your opinions into extra cash. Visit our website to learn more and begin your earning journey. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay in the loop. Happy earning, and see you soon.